Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a QR code for your YouTube video or channel. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started creating a QR code for your YouTube video or channel, the very first thing you need to do is open the QR code generator link I have added down in the description box. Now that you're on the tool, you'll see a field called YouTube URL. Just paste your video link into this box. Scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here you can add custom text below the QR code, like watch on YouTube. You can also choose your preferred QR color to match your brand style, and set a background color to make it look more clean or eye-catching. If you want to make it more professional, you can click on Choose Image under Add Logo. Then upload the YouTube logo or your channel's profile picture. Once everything looks good, click on the Generate YouTube QR button. A live preview of your QR code will instantly appear on the screen. Now you can select your preferred format and also choose your desired size. Finally, just click on the Download QR button and your QR code will be saved directly to your device, ready to use anywhere online or offline.